Man was not meant to live at the speed of light. Marshall McLuhan. Unplug and reconnect. Good morning, Pisces. Today, as the Capricorn moon forms a challenging aspect with Venus RX, you may feel the effects of too much screen time, making it harder to appreciate the beauty around you. If gratitude has been elusive, it's the perfect time to unplug and refocus on what truly matters. Embrace a bit of indulgence to bring your mind back to the present, especially when Luna squares Mercury RX this afternoon. Keep the conversation light and avoid any heated topics. As the evening arrives, the Sun and Venus RX unite, infusing you with a generous spirit and an appreciation for life's finer things.